Maradyaw na buntag sa Ijurut. Welcome to our mid-year assessment on fisheries project implementation. May I present to you the updates on fisheries project implementation of Alegria and Tubod, Surigao del Norte. First, I am April Ortiz, PFO SDN staff, also SAAD staff as well. Okay, first is the outline. First one is a project beneficiary. Second is livelihood implementation, issues and concern, and best practices. Okay, we have here the project beneficiaries. We have from Alegria, Surigao del Norte. We have Tungao Pungtud Farmers Association, located at Proxais Pungtud Alegria, Surigao del Norte. Jerry R. Otohan, the PO chairman. And we have from Tubod, Surigao del Norte, we have Tubod Fisherfolk Association, located at Poblacion Tubod, Surigao del Norte, Laricida, chairman. From Tungao Pungtud Farmers Association are organized on May 2019, where most of their living depend on farming in the morning and thrive at dawn for fishing, where their catch are displayed on their own small market known as Talipapa. No? Also for Tubod Fisherfolk Association are organized on September 2019, where individually the livelihood depends on aquaculture, fish farming, and in mining industry. We have the part 2 is livelihood implementation. Number 1 is site selection, site inspection, and validation. We have from Alegria, Surigao del Norte on April 4, 2024. I am inspecting and validate site of Alegria, Surigao del Norte, and in Tubod, Surigao del Norte on April 12, 2024 with Ate Janice. On the recommendation of this validation and monitoring, the remarks are for pond preparation must be done, such as seed application, limes, pond depth enhancement, and soil sealing. The second livelihood implementation is technical training on moral recovery and hatchery management on April 16 at Kitcherao Technology Outreach Station, Kitcherao. Third one is input distribution of aqua feeds, no? From Alegria, Surigao del Norte is on May 13, 2024. Same with Tubod, Surigao del Norte. These are the figures, description unit, and number of feeds delivered. We have from Alegria, the total number of feeds delivered is 67. And we have from Tubod, Surigao del Norte, we have 129 feeds delivered. Questions. Nganong gamay lang ang Alegria compared to Tubod? Let's see. Okay, stocking of tilapia fingerlings. From Alegria, we have the total area of 735 square meter. Fingerling stacked is 3,675 pieces. Then from Tubod, we have 1,535 square meter, the total area. Then the fingerling stack is 7,750 pieces. So, that's why the numbers differ from the delivery of feeds. No? Next is the monitoring, average body weight and growth performance. We expect June 28 our monitoring, no? On Alegria and Tubod, Surigao del Norte. Next is the harvest. We propose nga October 24, first week will be sa Alegria ug Tubod, Surigao del Norte. Okay. This is part 3, issues and concern. Number 1 is issues on the POs. Number 1 is expansion of pond area. No? Kay tungod kay gamay lang ang ilang area, dili sila pod ka engage on Lake Mainit because naa siya virus, no? Dili pa pwede yun nga culturean ang Lake Mainit due to its virus as recommendation from the TITOS. Okay? The second one is insufficient trainings, no? Murag kulang pa sila og trainings and skills, knowledge, no? Sa mga commodities, particularly sa tilapia, no? The third is the fish processing and bookkeeping, no? The second issues and concern is the issues on the project. What is the issues on the project is delay of project inputs, no? Sagaran maulahi gyud ang atong mga project programs, no? Particularly the feeds and other inputs tungod kay kulang, no? O taas pa ang procurement sa atong project. Next is commitment. This commitment from the POs, no? The third issues and concern is issues and collaboration. Communication first, no? Communication. Second is teamwork, LGU and V4 to LGU. And the last is share of knowledge. Thank you so much, everyone. And those are the presentation of updates on fisheries project implementation of Alegria and Tubod, Surigao del Norte. Once again, thank you so much.